Working with iSupport desktop dashboards. Dashboards are tabbed spaces on the iSupport desktop. A variety of components can be added to help in communicating with others and managing work items. You can completely customize dashboards according to the way you work in your environment. Components can be maximized and resized if needed. There are two levels of access for dashboards: personal and shared. A personal dashboard will display only to the support representative who created it. An existing shared dashboard can be added by other support representatives. To prevent inadvertent changes to someone else's dashboard, shared dashboards are locked for others by default. When creating a dashboard, the dashboard designer will appear with options for pre-designed dashboards and component layouts. The components you use will depend on your tasks and environment. The View component is widely used to monitor and quickly access work items. iSupport includes views that you can use or modify. You can also create new ones via the View Designer. You can create alerts that will appear when a view field reaches a certain threshold. For example, you can create an alert to display when the number of incidents with emergency priority reaches a specified amount. The Newsfeed component is a powerful feature in iSupport. You can create feeds for discussions as well as work item updates. Use the Global Search component to search iSupport data. You can filter through the features you've made available for faster searching. You can use the Badge, Pinboard, and Recent Items components on your personal dashboards for at-a-glance work item tracking. Use the Badges component to display a configurable icon with a count of a view field value. Click on the icon to display the view. Use the Pinboard component to make selected work items visible for tracking. Click the Pinboard icon on the toolbar of a saved work item to add to the component. The Recent Items component displays the 10 most recently accessed work items. iSupport also includes components for managerial tasks. Use the Rep Manager component to control support representative routing and My Support portal chat availability, and a support representative session to make a license available, and open the records a support representative is currently working on. You can initiate a chat as well. If you have reps working in the field, use the Rep Map component to display the last known GPS location of any user logged into iSupport's mobile interface. Use the Asset Monitor component to display the results of device monitoring, including the state of a device's CPU, memory, disk space, and services. The Calendar component can display scheduled changes if you have the Service Desk edition, Google and Microsoft Outlook meetings, and other event calendars. Use the Embedded Content component to display web resources such as YouTube videos. Use the Leaderboard component to create contests with configurable award levels, action-based point values, and badges or icons to display when an award level is reached. Points can be awarded manually or assigned automatically based on the completion of an iSupport action. There are several ways that administrators can control use of dashboards and components if needed. The Alerts and Dashboards Manager enables you to add and delete dashboards, restrict shared dashboard access, and automatically push a shared dashboard to the desktops of individual support representatives or groups. On a shared dashboard, support representatives with permission can use the Access option on the right-click Dashboard Options menu to push to other desktops and specify the individual support representatives or groups that can access the dashboard. You can use the Dashboards tab in the Support Representative profile screen to display the dashboards available to a support representative and the dashboards currently open on their desktop. In this screen, you can push dashboards to the support representative desktop and close any open dashboards. Desktop content permissions and configuration can enable or disable display of dashboard, view, chart, and alert functionality on the desktop for individual support representatives or groups. Administrators can control the availability of components for all reps via the desktop settings configuration screen. Administrators can control the availability of components for a specified group via the Rep Groups configuration screen. That's it for an overview of iSupport's dashboard functionality. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help or contact customer support by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099. We're available 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday PST and 8 to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday PST for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.